Took a minute, but here we are. We have the shelves up. This was the most uneven wall space, like I told y'all. It was so difficult to get it in there. And I don't have any tools with me at home, so I have to make a couple trips to Home Depot to get them to recut and resize. And they only do straight lines, or try to do straight lines. So I think for my next project for sure, I might invest in some sort of a saw to cut something. So if you have recommendations to what I should start with, if it's a table saw, a miter saw, let me know because I'd love some tips. But I do have a little bit of cleaner work to do. Again, with just the unevenness, there's a little bit of scratches that happen. So I'm going to have to sand those and repaint and then fill in all the nail gun holes. There is also, because of the unevenness, some gaps on these sides. So I'm going to maybe do a little bit of trim around the base there. So I need to cut that, stain it, put it in here, and then I can patch that up. But happy with the turnout. It does look really good. I got some lights for the inside just because it got really dark, and well, it gets really dark in there. So I'll be adding those, I think, once everything's been reset and restained. I ran out of stain, but this is as far as I got. I was able to get the base in there, do some touch-ups. I wasn't really thinking well when I decided to have the stain sit over these little wood-filled holes. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of work here to get it to look more even. And I did add the trim around the bottom. That was really just leftover trim from the door jamb that used to be here. Rounded the corners so that it's not as, square looking and just smooths out. But maybe the next time that you see this is after I've got a chance to restain it, hopefully get it to look a little bit more even with all those dots and blotches of my not so great ingenuity. And then it'll be on to the next thing, which is basically I got my wood panels that should be coming in today, so I'll get those up on the walls. I do have my curtain rods that I need to put up. It's gonna go right above the window. So we're almost there.